You want to learn how to do a 90s inspired barrel curl on your wig?
You damn Skippy.
Okay, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Sis.
On a stretch mesh dome cap, you're going to sew on your clip-on bang after you remove the clips.
A clip-on bang? What the world?
Continue sewing the sides or get you a glue gun and glue it down.
Girl, you're doing too much.
Too much is my middle name. Press down each section as you're gluing it to make it secure. Take your palm and smash it down just like you're about to do my like button.
Okay, I just did that. Now what?
Thank you. After you comb the bangs down, flat iron 2 packs of braiding hair and cut it in half.
Braiding hair?
You're going to crochet the braiding hair alongside the bang area and follow along to the opposite side.
Oh, girl, that look good.
Thank you. To save you time, leave out the middle and put it in the ponytail. To hide the cap, cut some of the hair with a razor about 2 inches down.
Huh?
And take the small teeth on a barber comb and tease the hair up so it can gather to make your hairline look natural.
Okay.
Piece by piece, follow along the whole hairline from the neck to the ears.
Oh.
Set aside some baby hair in the back and apply the hair you tease into the ponytail. Unravel the baby hair to see which sections you want to leave out or put in the ponytail.
I ain't no hairstylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm going to give you a tip. When you put the hair in the ponytail, use a strong newspaper rubber band so if you have to add more hair, it'll be more secure.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now take your second piece, wrap a rubber band around that, and you're going to attach it to the top of the ponytail.
You gonna need all that hair?
Yes, because when you do your barrel curls, it can be nice, full, and high, just like the 90s. Okay, now for the fun part. Get your flat iron, and you're going to curl it from the bottom to the top. Get your bobby pins and secure the base so it can stay in place. When you're flat ironing synthetic hair, make sure you have the iron on low to medium heat. Complete these steps until you reach the top, and don't forget to curl your baby hair. Follow for more DIY hair tutorials. Thanks for watching.
And I will. Thank you, girl.
To purchase, press the link below.